When you think of Lamborghini, the words bold, dramatic, and eye-catching come to mind. The Lamborghini Revuelto, in particular, is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and design. With its incredible performance, aggressive lines, and futuristic styling, the Revuelto is already an automotive icon. But for those who feel this supercar could use an extra touch of wildness, 1016 Industries has just the thing. 1016 Industries, a US-based tuner renowned for its high-performance body kits for supercars, has set its sights on the Lamborghini Revuelto. They've unveiled not one, but two aftermarket packages designed to take the supercar's design to the next level. These modifications include the Carbon Aero Program and the Vision Widebody kit, both of which radically alter the look and performance of the Revuelto. However, these enhancements come with a hefty price tag that may leave you questioning if it's worth more than a brand new BMW M4. Let's start with the Carbon Aero Program. This package isn't for those who want to go too extreme but prefer a more subtle enhancement. The kit consists of several key modifications that amp up the Revuelto's aerodynamics and aggressive stance. Included in the Carbon Aero Program is a new front splitter, a custom front bumper, vented front fenders, and a bespoke hood that transforms the look of the car without being overly dramatic. There's also a new active rear spoiler, a roof scoop for improved airflow, a completely revamped rear wing, and a diffuser for additional aerodynamic benefit. These upgrades come in various finishes, including forged carbon fiber, standard carbon fiber, or fiber-reinforced polymer, giving owners the flexibility to choose how they want to style their Lamborghini. While the Carbon Aero Program is a fantastic upgrade, the Vision Widebody package takes things even further. This kit is for owners who want to make a bold statement and turn their Lamborghini Revuelto into an aggressive track-inspired supercar. The Vision Widebody includes all the components of the Carbon Aero Program but with a much more radical design. The standout features here are the flared front and rear wheel arches, which give the car a much wider and more menacing stance. The rocker panels are also enhanced with carbon fiber, and a racing prototype-inspired carbon shark fin connects the roof scoop to the new fixed rear wing. The front fascia is thoroughly revised, giving the car a completely different look from the factory version. For Revuelto owners worried about compromising the standard design of their cars, there's good news. According to 1016 Industries, all of the parts in both the Carbon Aero Program and the Vision Widebody package are fully reversible. No modifications are required to the standard body, meaning owners can revert their cars back to stock if they decide to remove the aftermarket parts. This flexibility adds a level of practicality that many other aftermarket options lack. Now, let's talk about the price. While the Carbon Aero Program offers a more affordable option, it's the Vision Widebody package that really catches the eye. The Vision Widebody kit itself costs $29,995 in carbon fiber and $32,995 in forged carbon fiber. However, if you want the full package, which includes every additional option in forged carbon fiber, you're looking at a grand total of $127,230 for all the upgrades. To put that in perspective, that price is more than what you'd pay for a brand new BMW M4, which typically starts around $72,000. The Lamborghini Revuelto is already a high-priced supercar, and with these enhancements, you're looking at a supercharged version that pushes the limits of what's possible in terms of customization. In conclusion, 1016 Industries has taken the Lamborghini Revuelto and made it even more of a spectacle with their Carbon Aero and Vision Widebody packages. Whether you're looking for a subtle upgrade or an extreme transformation, there's something for everyone in these aftermarket kits. However, be prepared to pay a premium for these one-of-a-kind modifications, as the full Vision Widebody package is priced at a staggering $127,230.